Get your handset!
Get lipo, guy!
Where's your handset?
Why is he coming back?
Alex!
He's coming for Alex now. Yes, he's going to land in the field. Alex, watch the alley!
Oh. Alex, have you go land it?
Yeah, it wouldn't look good if one of us stood in the control and I was going like this.
Easy now. He's going to land his plane.
You shit yourself, you thought he was coming after you then, didn't you? Alex! My plane's bigger than your plane!
Alex, it only happened to you, wouldn't it?
Frightened the fuck out of me, he said.
Oh, that's going on YouTube.
They done that on purpose. They come around just for the fun of it,
they come back round second time for the laugh.
Alex is like, oh no! Where do I land?
I like it.
I was hoping he was going to fly into the rotor plate.
I wish I'd have had my little helicopter up.
No, he's just crashed it because he couldn't land on the field because the helicopter. Alex, anything to say? I would have kegged myself if that was me there trying to
I thought it was the opposite when they come back around.
Yeah.
Because they